locations probably need, you know, that painting just sitting there. Without it, it probably, I don't know. I don't want to know what it would be like without it.
I love living in Savannah because we do have people working on answering kind of a national despair and taking it upon themselves to make answers and put those up and have people consider them.
His skill and how he rapped, it had content. It wasn't just he was rapping about the gangster stuff and the limelight or jewelry. He actually rapped about things that went on in the hood for real.
And for some reason, everybody was just able to connect with him.
Anybody in any project across the nation can listen to this and relate to it.
People who seeing it through my eyes, what I seen. And they got a lot of people that got my childhood eyes, they got my teenager eyes, they got my eyes, they seeing what I saw when I was grown. And it's a reality to them, you know, so it's just reality rap, that's what I call it.
You can feel it, like really, almost like this. Simple to feel it. You can't help but feel it, because it's real. People can say what they want to say about that man. He real.